Hello and welcome. We are now on our last day of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. This has been such a fun project. I've enjoyed doing all of these mini crystal art paintings every day to make a beautiful Christmas tree. This month has been so busy with work and personal and doing these amazing events that this has been my primary decoration this month. So I have been having so much fun. Thank you for following along as I decorate. And oh, what a beautiful ending to this amazing Advent. So here is what we have done throughout the month. And the very last one, as I was hoping, would be a great topper for the top of my tree. It looks like there are just two colors in this one. We have the gold and then one clear for the center. So I'm going to pull out the previous ones, and I'm going to hold off on opening those ones until later. Saves me a little bit of time. So the number one is the gold. So we have tons of gold from our previous ornaments. So I'm going to go ahead and dump out quite a few of those because I'm sure we're going to need them. And then we only need one of, goodness, how do you want to do this? I might just place this out on my desk because we just need one of the number twos. Of course, I probably should have gone ahead and put it in a tray, but you know, sometimes we try to make things easier and make things harder. Story of my life, right? So I'm going to go ahead and then speed this process up, let you listen along and enjoy this last day of our Advent calendar. Thank you again so much for joining me on this journey. It has been such a blessing, so much fun, and I look forward to seeing you next year with all of the crafty goodies that we have in store for next year. I will see you at the end of the video. Okay, it is official. We have now finished day 24 of our Crystal Art Advent Calendar, and we now have a beautiful topper for our Christmas tree. Thank you again so much for joining me on this journey. Thank you for joining me on my other projects too, as we went through and created our Art Impressions one. Here's the one we did today for Art Impressions. Thank you so much for following along on this journey. There is a playlist, so if you've missed any of these and would like to go back and watch them again, please check out the playlist on my YouTube channel, or you can go to my website, www.nerdy.crafter with a K, Krafter.com, and check out all of the amazing projects that we worked on throughout this year. And I hope to see you back next year. Have a great day. Take care.